Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I would like to welcome you or you e-learning over an university. In this video, I would like to show you how to connect to your teacher lectures. Now, for teachers and students, it's compulsory to have Zoom application. So it's simple. Go to Play Store and write Zoom and download it. For students, it is not a compulsory to sign in or sign up, but for the teachers, it's compulsory because they are the starting meeting. But students or for the students, it's not compulsory. They only wait for the teacher's invitation link when they copy the URL of that meeting and post it any group, any particular group where the teachers have or students have made it. Dear students, when you open the application, you will have such sort of outer fit. Now, you no need to put anything on it. So, click any sign up or sign in or join the meeting. But you're only concerned wait for the teacher link. Whenever the teacher copy the link and paste it in any group, and you have to just click on that. So I'll show you with a practical that I have shared the link of one of the meeting in any group. So in here you have to just click on that link rather than putting anything like, look, I've shared that. Now see, after sharing that, now look here, this sort of link will be visible. So only click, only after clicking on that, you have to wait for that, unless the screen will pop up. Now when the screen will pop up, another screen, now look here, you have to write your name, whatever your name is, you have to write, and then again wait. Now you will have two options, whether you are joining with video or without video is up to you. Now when you click joining with video, now you have to wait again. Now wait again because we have you send your notification to your teacher. Now the teacher will allow you, or whether he allow you or deny you, because he will see the notification of viewers. The teacher will see admit or putting this person in a waiting room. Now when he click being a teacher, if I'm clicking on admit, it means that I'm allowing you to come to the joining room. Now in here you are waiting for that. Now after you have waited, now when the teacher admitted you, now this option will come. When admitting you, you have to wait and wait. Now after waiting, so suddenly your picture will be visible. Now this some sort of outer fit will comes. Now you can see below 5 options you have. Number 1, join audio. Number 2, stop video. Number 3, share. And number lots of participants. And 3 dots which represent more. Now by clicking just on your camera and on your mic, it will be turned off. If you have any sort of question from the teacher, so you have to go to the participants and click on a participant. So 2 options will be pop up. Just click on your name, raise your hand and lower your hand. Now just click on raise your hand. That option will be visible to your teacher. When you raise your hand, the teacher will see who have a question. He will, so after seeing that who have a question, then the teacher will allow you to ask a question, and he will call your name, that turn on your mic, and what you have a question, you have to better ask any sort of question from the teacher. But during the lecture, you're not allowed to ask anything from the teacher. Now wait for the teacher. The teacher will share the slides that will be visible on your screen, and listen carefully to your teacher whatever he teach. If you have a question, same, go to participant and click on your name. There will be option raise your hand, unless you have to silent mute your mic. Now, if the teacher permit you, allow you to ask a question, now the rest of the students should mute it their mic, because that if all the students will unmute it, so it will create disturbance and the atmosphere will be destroyed. Now ask your question. Thanks for your watching. Thanks. I hope it will help you.